non-millennial DIY. We are going to repurpose this side stand and paint it. We're going to do the legs black. We're going to stain the tabletop in espresso and gray mixture. Step 1, sand the table. So making sure that you give the tabletop a good sand will allow the stain to penetrate the wood and get the finish that you want. So we're going to do a mix of classic gray and espresso. So I like to use, I like to use a sponge like this to apply the stain. I feel like it gives it a pretty even application. So far, this is where we're at. I plan on doing another layer, another coat, and kind of darken it up a little bit and maybe throw in some gray as well. Okay, so we have the top pretty much done. We're going to give it some time to dry. Let that stain sit in. While it's doing that, we can go ahead and paint the bottom. Honestly, kind of like how it looks with the lighter bottom, but we'll go ahead and paint it black. Give it that rustic, modern look. Cool. And if you're wondering where to buy the stain, I just got it from Home Depot. It's just the brand Wood Finish. Yeah, Wood Finish. And I mainly just use the espresso. Focus. Espresso.